Nature for billions of years has been using bacteria to break down its own waste. By utilizing probiotics, we're essentially utilizing that technology that nature's been using for billions of years. A grey tank is somewhere where you do your washing up, where you have a shower and all your body fats and hair, etc. go into. There's a lot of inorganic product that goes in there, soaps, etc. The beauty of probiotics is that it will basically consume that odor and keep those tanks free of sludge, free of the grime that usually coats those pipes and those tanks, keep your sensors working. It basically keeps the whole system clean, and because there's no S-bins often in most caravans, the smell comes a lot easier than what it would be in a conventional house. We are able to supply a product that is environmentally positive, it is safe for everybody, and very cost effective to use. And you're doing yourself a favour, and you're doing the environment a favour.